Thank you, Johnny's Hardwood Floors, for your mass hole lifting. Oh, there's a Toyota behind me. Probably not going to stop at the stop sign like I am. Yeah, you rolled it. What a shock. Don't cut me off. Thanks, Grandpa. See that? How lazy can you get? Can't put a cart into the cart corral. It's right next to the friggin' cart corral. It's yellow, it's red over there, some green here, so I'm going. Yes, why don't you stop? Why don't you stop instead of slow rolling? Total eclipse of the stop signs. Jesus. Thank you. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Drag to the left lane for no reason.
One of the 40 best-selling songs in the USA in 1940. That's the Doobie Brothers with Shiny World.
We're in the red.
Coming up, the fourth straight in our countdown right now. And she has
We're in the red. We're in the red and red. We're in the red and red. Red, 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 red. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop beating around the moon. Ah! Jesus. Yeah. King of pain. No, 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 don't do that, Corolla. Toyota turd, exit dive. And that's a stop sign, Mr. Yukon, Tahoe, whatever the frig you are. Yeah. Could you be a little closer there, Camroid? What are you doing? Because Prius. Oh, God. This one. Thank you, JP Noonan. Once again.
I hate everybody!
That was a tad close. Hello, hello, hello. I'll jiu-jitsu. What are you doing? It's a red light. You have a red arrow, stupid. Reverse of shame. Stop for your turn. Yeah! Yeah. And they were in the red light. Thank you. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. I knew you would. Stop before you turn. Are you gonna stop before you turn? Not a chance. And you? Not a chance. Nope. Nope. There's no green arrow there, mofos. You gotta stop before you turn. Nobody listens to me. It's like they can't hear me or something. I don't know. Do you fucking mind, douchebag? Are you spazzing or grooving? You are tailgating. What is your problem? I can't go faster than the one in front of me. Jesus Christ, it's not a disco, for Christ's sakes. Hands on the wheel, woman. Back the frig off. Whoop! Jesus Christ! And now comes the Kia turd. I'm too close to the guy in front of me. Back the fuck off, dude! Out this asshole's way. Oh, nice move. Push him out of his lane. So go, stupid. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go! 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 Fuck you. Shithead. And wasn't even going. God damn, they're all out today, mofos. Through the red light and everything. Dirt bags on dirt bikes. pickup's going straight from the turn lane. I just know it. Watch him go, watch him go. Straight from the turn lane. Oh my god, wait a second, hold on. Did he just left turn from the right turn lane? Nice, nice job.